Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Legal Decipher. In the previous video, we had discussed about Chapter 5 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. If you have not seen that video, you can go and check it. The link is in the description below. In today's video, we're going to talk about Chapter 5A of the Indian Penal Code. We'll go through the chapter and try to understand the substance therein. So if you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can get the video notifications. So let's get started. So today we are going to discuss about chapter 5A that talks about criminal conspiracy. It is a very short chapter. It consists of only 2 sections. This entire chapter was not there in the Indian Penal Code that was passed in 1860. It was later on amended and added to the IPC. So it only consists of 2 sections, that is section 120A and section 120B. It talks about criminal conspiracy. So what is the definition of criminal conspiracy? It says that when 2 or more persons agrees to do or cause an illegal act, such an agreement is called criminal conspiracy. Provided that no agreement shall amount to criminal conspiracy unless it is made to commit an offence. So it is basically done or agreed upon to commit an offence and not otherwise. So it is immaterial whether the ultimate object of the agreement is such illegal act or it is merely incidental to that object. So let's move on with the section 120A. It gives the definition of criminal conspiracy. It says when 2 or more persons agrees to do or cause it to be done, that is an illegal act or an act which is not illegal by illegal means, but such an agreement is designated a criminal conspiracy. So the act in itself may be an illegal act, or the act may not be an illegal act by illegal means, but such an act will be designated as a criminal conspiracy due to such agreement, provided that no agreement except an agreement to commit an offence shall amount to a criminal conspiracy unless some act beside the agreement is done by one or more parties to such agreement in pursuance thereof. So an act needs to be done in pursuance of that agreement. That is termed as a criminal conspiracy. Now, explanation says that it is immaterial whether the illegal act is the ultimate object of the agreement or is merely incidental to such object. So it does not matter if the illegal act was the ultimate object of that agreement or not. So maybe the agreement was to do an illegal act, but by committing that illegal act they wanted to achieve something else or something more. So it is immaterial as to why they did it, whether the illegal act that they wanted to do was the ultimate object or there was something more to that agreement, like if it was incidental to that object. So it does not matter, it is completely immaterial. Section 120B talks about the punishment of criminal conspiracy. It says whoever is a party to a criminal conspiracy to commit an offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life, or rigorous imprisonment for a term of 2 years or upwards. So whoever is a party to a criminal conspiracy to commit an offence, which offence is either punishable by death or by imprisonment for life or of rigorous imprisonment for 2 years or upwards, then if a criminal conspiracy is done for such kind of offence and there is no express provision in this Indian Penal Code for the punishment of such conspiracy, then such conspiracy will be punished in the same manner as if he had abated such offence. So the punishment for the abatement of such offence will be inflicted upon the criminal conspiracy of this kind. And whoever is a party to a criminal conspiracy other than a criminal conspiracy to commit an offence which is punishable as aforesaid shall be punished. So in any other kind of criminal conspiracy, a criminal conspiracy to commit an offense that is not punishable with death or rigorous imprisonment for a term of 2 years or upwards, or imprisonment for life, then in all other cases the punishment for such criminal conspiracy to do such offense would be imprisonment of either description for a term not exceeding 6 months, or with fine, or with both. So it will be a maximum period of 6 months and fine, or both. So that's all in this video. If you like my videos, then don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.